is NASA of showing that body. You look at the